Before we get started, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for this video. It will help us tremendously to keep bringing videos for you about taking care of the always beautiful you. So let's dive right into it. Have you ever wondered if rosemary oil can really boost your hair growth? The primary question is, does rosemary oil really help with hair growth? And the secondary question is, does it help with all hair types? This fragrant herb, often found in your kitchen spice rack, has been traditionally used for various health and beauty remedies, including hair care. While scientific evidence is still catching up, some believe that rosemary oil could potentially enhance hair growth and health. This is attributed to its rich content of antioxidants and compounds that may have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially benefiting your scalp and hair. Anecdotal evidence and historical use suggests that applying rosemary oil or rosemary-infused products to the scalp might stimulate hair growth and improve hair condition, no matter what type of hair that you have. However, it's important to remember that more research is needed to confirm these effects and understand the mechanisms behind them. But there are many people who have used the oil and have confirmed that it does work for them. If you're intrigued by the potential of rosemary oil, keep watching as we delve deeper into how it might promote hair growth, and I promise you it won't hurt to give it a try. So you might be asking, how does rosemary oil potentially boost hair growth? Let's delve into the 5 potential ways this aromatic herb might help your locks flourish. First, rosemary oil is thought to improve scalp circulation. The invigorating nature of this oil could stimulate blood flow, delivering a rich supply of nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles, thus encouraging healthier hair growth. Second, some studies suggest rosemary oil may inhibit dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone known to contribute to hair loss. By potentially blocking the enzyme involved in converting testosterone to DHT, rosemary oil could theoretically reduce hair loss and replace what was lost. Third, rosemary oil is a potent source of antioxidants. These antioxidants may shield your scalp and hair follicles from free radical damage, thus fostering a healthier environment for hair growth and reducing the risk of premature hair loss. Fourth, rosemary oil may have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation can disrupt the hair growth cycle, but by potentially reducing scalp inflammation, rosemary oil could create a more favorable environment for hair growth. Lastly, there's anecdotal evidence that suggests regular use of rosemary oil could result in thicker, stronger hair strands. The stimulating properties of rosemary oil may encourage hair follicles to produce more resilient hair over time. While these potential benefits sound promising, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of rosemary oil on hair. Before you rush off to try rosemary oil, there are some precautions to keep in mind. As with any natural remedy, it's crucial to tread carefully and test to see if it is right for you, your hair, and your skin. It's all about balance and understanding your body's unique needs. You wouldn't want to trade one issue for another now, would you? If rosemary oil piques your interest, please don't skip a visit to your healthcare professional or a dermatologist. They can help you navigate this terrain with their expert advice, especially if you have an underlying scalp condition. Allergies can be tricky, and rosemary is no exception. A professional can guide you on how to perform a patch test before you generously apply the oil to your scalp. Remember, it's not about jumping on the bandwagon. It's about what works for you. Hair care, much like skincare, is a personal journey. So take the time to understand your needs. Remember, it's always best to consult with a professional to ensure the health and safety of your hair and scalp. So here we go, an overview of how rosemary oil might help boost your hair growth. We've discussed its potential capabilities, including improved scalp circulation, DHT inhibition, antioxidant protection, and anti-inflammatory effects, which could boost hair growth. We've noted anecdotal evidence suggesting thicker, stronger hair strands with regular use. Despite these intriguing benefits, they're based largely on tradition and initial research. More extensive studies are required to validate its effectiveness and understand its impact on hair growth. It's important to remember, each person's hair and scalp are different and unique. What's effective for one might not work for another. Remember consulting a healthcare professional or dermatologist before incorporating rosemary oil, especially with pre-existing scalp conditions or allergies, is crucial. The journey to healthier hair is personal, which involves individual experimentation and patience. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by clicking the like and subscribe so you can learn more on how to keep taking care of the always beautiful you.